Hi, I'm Katelyn. I'm the Repair and Restoration Specialist here at the Metal Museum. Today we're going to be restoring the Stations of the Cross from St. Teresa's Church. It depicts Christ on the day of his crucifixion. There's typically about 14 stations in a Catholic church. So we're going to be removing the tarnish. So first thing is safety. You want to always wear gloves and work in a well-ventilated area. Outside is the best. If you're working inside, you always want to wear a ventilator. And you can see that I have these on a surface that is non-marring. So wood, cardboard, things that are soft, typically a good bet. So we see here that we have a lot of buildup on the surface here, so metal sort of becomes subject to its environment after a while. We see in the cracks here that we have a lot of buildup for old polish, so we're going to clean that out. First I'm going to start by wetting the whole surface. And I kind of do this in sections. I have a very fine grade, the finest grade steel wool. This is a problem that a lot of people run into when they try and strip tarnish off of things. They use a heavy grade steel wool, and then at that point there's, really mars the metal. There's not really much we can do about it. I have all-purpose brass polish. This is where good ventilation comes in. I'm kind of gonna just work in a circular motion in these sections. And I'm using something that is abrasive enough to remove all the grime and burnish the metal without marring it. One is the clean one. Still has a little bit more work to go in these small areas, but overall you can really see where we've stripped away the tarnish, polished it up. Then we're going to put a clear coat to seal it, so it'll protect metal from the elements.